Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing an experiment today. The experiment is Floetrol paint and water as a base coat, which I'll apply over the entire canvas, and then I'm going to run some ribbons on there, and the ribbons colors are mixed with my polycrylic mix. I don't know how it will behave on top of just a Floetrol base, but I just didn't have enough of the polycrylic mix available to mix with my base coat, so I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll find out. So I'm going to do just a real minimalistic looking ribbon-y thing. I did draw it out kind of just to see if I was pleased with the way it looked on paper, and I think I liked it, so I'm going to be doing some long wavy ribbons the length of the canvas. I probably tilt it around a little bit, and then I'll do some skinnier ones here and there, and I will not tilt. The colors I have are bronze, metallic black, violet, and white for contrast. I'm not sure about the white. And then I have standing by some gold, which I'm just really not sure about, except that it's kind of the complementary color of this lavender on the color wheel, so it could add an interesting pop of color. So those two are questionable, but these are so dark I feel I might need some light, so we shall see. And there is one of my pushy cats trying to get in here. If you can hear that scratching at the door, but it's not going to happen, Slinky. All right, here we go. Let me just quickly put this base coat down. This color is very similar to the Pantone color of the year, which is called Very Peri, which I assume is short for periwinkle. So, for what it's worth, all right, I'll tilt it around. Yeah, I just don't know if the lines are gonna hold nice and crisply on a background that it does not contain the polycrylic. I'm not confident it will, but we'll see. And even if it doesn't, maybe it will look good, so who knows. Okay. Pop that bubble. All right. Once again, I've forgotten my rag. I should have a wet rag standing by. Okay, here we go. It's a pretty color. I will start with the metallic black. This is by Artist Loft. I love this color. I love to mix it with other colors. It does, it creates some amazing new colors. But this time I'm using it just straight. So here we go with the curvy line. Varying the width of it as I go. One. I'll go to the violet, Master's Touch violet. Now, what is this? I think bronze, metallic bronze, Artist Loft also. Okay, now I'm going to tilt that ever so slightly. Maybe just to stretch them out a little bit, maybe get part of it to reach an edge there. Always like that. Okay, interesting. Now, it's not too bad as far as bleeding out into the base coat goes. The violet seems to be doing that a little bit, but not so much the metallics. Okay, now I'm going to, I don't know about the white. Just not convinced. Now some skinny lines, kind of this way, or maybe this way. So skinny, I'm going to go fast. Do another one. I'll do another one black. Okay, I'm going to go with the bronze. Okay, and now maybe here. I don't know that I want to go back to that violet. I don't like the way this little blob looks at the end. Let me just fix that a little bit. That's better. Do I want to add gold? I just feel it's going to, I'm not going to like it. But I want to add either the gold or the white. I think I'll try the white. Hope I don't regret this. There we go. I don't think that hurt it. But I've got to add some more. I can't leave it just one stripe of white. Sorry. Oh, the suspense, huh? I noticed it was kind of bubbly. I don't mind it. I'm not using gold. I just think that would be a mistake. But I think I have to add another white here. That's what I'll do. Ooh, that didn't go so well. Yeah, I just used the Artist Loft white. I should have used a better quality white for this, but too late now. Oh man, it's very bubbly. But I need another one. That's better. Okay, what do we got? I don't know. I wanted minimalist looking, and well, I got that. If I leave it alone, shall I leave it alone? Let's see what's happening. That's bleeding out a little bit there, the metallic black. The bronze is doing okay. The violet, a little bit. The white, kind of bubbly. Yeah, but I think it's kind of neat. I've been wanting to just pour out some ribbons and leave them. And so I think I will. I will leave it alone. Try popping some of these bubbles. And live with that for a little while. And of course, I prefer the vertical orientation. It looks kind of Jetson-like to me. Okay, I think I'm done. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Oh, there's not much to look at. The lines would have, they would stay perfect if my base had been the polycrylic mix, but these could migrate a bit. But it's just an experiment, right? We have to, you never know. How things will turn out unless you experiment. Can you hear my wheels turning? I'm thinking of doing something else. I have some water-based spray paint here in black. I know, I could just hear you saying no. No, I won't do it. I won't do it. Okay, that's it. Saying goodbye. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.